Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making coconut curry shrimp. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So the shrimp has already been peeled and washed. So now I'm just going to start adding the seasonings. First thing I'm going to add is some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm going to add some adobo seasoning, some Grace all-purpose seasoning, Mrs. Dash original blend, some Creole seasoning, ginger powder, and a little curry powder. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is prepare all my natural seasonings. So I have some scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, bell pepper, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, I'm going to add some butter to the pot. I'm going to add in some curry powder. Now I'm going to add in the seasonings. We're just going to saute these for a little bit. So from here I'm going to add a little bit of water. And allow the seasonings to cook for a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to add some coconut milk. I'm going to add a little Maggi seasoning here and a little Creole seasoning, and then from here I'll just cover and allow it to simmer. Alright, so as you can see, the gravy is really thick. So now I'm going to add the shrimp to the pot. And again, I'm just going to cover and allow it to simmer. Ensure you taste and add more seasoning as necessary. And more pepper, because as I said before, curry is not curry without that kick, okay? Alright, the last thing I'm going to do is add in some broccoli. I don't want my broccoli to be too soft, so I'm going to turn it off at this point and allow the steam to cook the broccoli, and that way you will still have some crunch. So if you want broccoli that's softer, then you can cook it a little bit longer, but for me, I'm going to turn it off from here and let the steam do the rest.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.